Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warwick LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warwick LTV. Keep it locked.
Now, I'm gonna tell you. We, as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? Set the bar for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this. Yes, brothers and sisters. Greetings in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I First, and all things good and wonderful amongst us and about us. Seen? Welcome viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe and make sure you grow the platform, no man. You know, see? Also, you don't know, the Cash App there, the Cash App in the description, you know? Support the Cash App thing, support the thing, you know, the best way you can. You don't know things stuff and we not put no pressure upon nobody because, you know, see it, but as you know, we have to live, you know, see it, yeah. So we know it's a little thing going on in the media the other day, you know, Miss Chin go missing in a Jamaica, you know, see it. I mean, notice we know some do a thing couple of weeks before this regarding the Chinese, them and them own little police station where them have in a people sovereign nation without permission, planning or anything like that from the local government. You know, see it? So we see a little thing going on at the news where Miss Chin go missing. Seen, and couple days after that, Miss Chin just returned without any farmer. You know, anyway, let me read the good news first about her return, and then, you know, we read the missing part, and then we discuss with suspicious nature. Yeah, watch out. Hey, Miss Chin. Oh, hey, anyway, you know, there's a whole heap of different reason, you know. Anyway, from the Loop News. I'm saying which publication this, cause nobody feel like say just the news. I where them publish it, so we are looking to, you know, we are looking to a whole broader scope of things. This look like it was published on the 14th recently. I'm not sure, you know, see, but the police had advised that 46-year-old Zing Zhang Zong, otherwise called Miss Chin, of Montego West Village, Montego Bay in St. James, who went missing on Thursday, November the 10th, has returned home. She is reported to be in good health. As is customary, and I understand that, as is customary, the police provided no details on the circumstances behind the woman's return. And I understand that. Customary. After you get the crowd, you get the public all interested and concerned about this missing Chinese national. Now we are going to tell we say it's customary for you not to give no details on the circumstance of her return. And without even a follow-up for so well then further investigation is ongoing or nothing like that. Hold on there. It's short little thing. I'm going to read it. Reports from the Mount Salem police were that about 3 p.m. on Thursday, Zhang was last seen boarding a taxi on Greenpan Avenue in the parish. That means she's quite familiar with the area and the process of affairs, you know, like transportation and such the like. You know, see, she not have no fear for no farm or anything or something this what she do regular. And I like say, well then she thinks she have no enemy, no known enemy or is of any threat by the society, criminal nature as we know it, you know, see. So she could take her taxi. You know, see. She could not be located for some time after that, leading to a missing person report being lodged with the police. Anyway, and then so the story just dropped, buff, and dead. Anyway, we can read the first one. The first one when she go missing. Miss Chin gone missing. You see, 46-year-old Zing Zang Zong, otherwise called Miss Chin, of Montego West Village, Montego Bay and St. James, has been missing since Thursday, November the 10th. She is a fair complexion. She's a fair complexion, you know. Yeah, she's a fair complexion, Rasta. You know, see, medium built and about 165 centimeter, 5 feet 5 inches tall. That's very tall. You know, see it for a Zing Zang Zong. You know, see it. Anyway, report from the Mount Salem police are that about 3 p.m. Zhang was last seen boarding a taxi on Green Pan Avenue in the parish. At that time, she was wearing a grey blouse, grey and white polka dot tights, and a pair of pink sneakers. She has not been seen since that time. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Zing Zang Zong is being asked to contact the Mount Salem police at such and such or the 119 number at the nearest police station. Now if this look fishy, we don't know if some fishy go give away this up. That can be the case too. Because as you can see from the thumbnail, she don't look so bad. She don't look too bad, 3 bad. She don't look bad. A very attractive looking woman in her face part. You see it, so you know Jamaican man, them stay and thing like that. Them sharp like that. You know, see it. And Miss Chin, we don't know. Jamaican lifestyle and type of man approach and thing like that is far more, you know, vibrant and versatile than how it happened in a fair culture where she come from. So we don't know if somebody charm her way, carry her gone all up in a mountain there where she take a taxi go up in a mountain going out with all a dreadlocks man. A big, thick dreadlocks man for a couple of days. We don't know for that. They better that than the reality that the Chinese government established them own police force down there. And somehow Zing Zang Zong becomes a person of interest to them. That's them who are in a custody for a couple of days. You know, see it, we have to speculate them serious ways because a missing person thing like this, how comes the police are talk about them just drop, boom, baff, this and dead. Them not tell you, them not explain the circumstance of her return. You know, see it. Not that we business, but again, it's our business. You know, see, it's our place, and if you know so somebody go missing and thing like that, it'll cause a whole heap of cause for concern. Because at the end of the day, the Chinese them say them people is not being protected. You know, see, them like how 100 of them lost them life or is victim of crime. Well, we don't have the one who are victim of crime. We don't have the one who lost them life. Is 100 of them since 2016. You know, see, 60 years now, and the government assure great, you know, disquiet. The Chinese government showed this great disquiet regarding that, regardless of the fact says over 8,000, almost 10,000 Jamaican lost them life by the same circumstance. You know, see it, and a lot of people are coming and comment to talk about Jamaica to take care of them people and China to take care. Listen, we never say Jamaica to take care of them people, you know. We just, you say them little stupidness there where facilitate and embrace and enable lackluster government in the country and certain fapas sell out business Rasta. I tell you, say, more time I have to wonder if a real Jamaican, you know, or a black people, they may make them comment here, you know, Rasta. It's disgraceful, you know, more time I better just like the video and move on. And you know me, I say, yeah, like the video, Rasta. You know, see, sometimes, and everything make feed, and everything good feed, good for talk, Rasta. So I'm embarrassing myself. I'm wondering if a special Monica on the commander on this platform, yeah, or the same thing you know go by on every other platform when you feel for go, you know, further embarrass or perforate this dunceness among us. You know, see, it's a thing where we don't blame nobody for Rasta, but we have to be cautious with it. We have to know we put, even like I should even dare so I do this, you know. As we have more academics, we have more learned people within our society. We have observed the recklessness in the government we are going when I do and say nothing, Rasta. Hence the reason why a youth like I have to come up here and attack. You know, see it? Yeah. You know, see it? Them thing I need addressing, Rasta. Yeah, so back to Miss Chin, you know. I know Miss Chin. What go on this up? And how Jamaica government are going like them want to be complacent or part of the cover-up business we are going, just like when the Chinese them just come, you know, set up for them police and abduct who them want abduct and chat to who them want chat to intimidate and, you know, whoever them want to deal it certain way. We know what I mean by we're concerned about them things too. Because people them come under our protection, Rasta, and you can disappear them like that. And we can't say nothing or ask no question about it. I see them where you will put them on the criminal scope. You know, see it? Like say, well, then a Jamaica do it because Jamaica known for have this high level criminality and thing like that. We want to know before we state get classed as a kidnap state and all them sort of fuckery there. You know, see it? Where Miss Chin did there, or else we'll just start saying, give Miss Chin, go give her some of the pum. You know, see it? I better come clean and make you know what I want, rather than, then again, the way nature, the way it's slack to rascal, you know, rather we say that about Miss Chin. You know, rather run with that. You know, rather we run with that than bring forward the facts. Because the fact in this case here is discrediting to the sovereignty of Jamaica. I don't know. You know, see it, which is, you know, virtually non-existent anyway, because the things them where the so-called leader, them are go on with, they don't give no credit and no credibility to any form of sovereign nation or country. You sell out everything, and give away everything to foreigners. Not even common Jamaican. Like me say, Jamaican in the diaspora, go back home and start a business, him have a mountain for climb before him can do that. While any foreign national can just come in and vloop, vap, vloop. You know, well easy. You know, see it? And a thing like that, no, we want to know what go on with Miss Chain. You know, say, no accountability, Rasta, where a guy can come and talk about them not feel like to disclose how Miss Chin was returned. Who did have Miss Chin in the first place? How the bomb buckler to go on? How them think of even applicable in politics? A day-to-day civility, Rasta. What kind of stupidness them here? Eh? A foreigner go missing among us and then she just return like something suddenly like that, and no matter what she did there, no matter if I give her, she go give her some of the thing, Rasta. I mean, that's something that for we know. Nobody come talk about, I mean, like customary. It's customary not to explain how the return. I cannot hear that thing this. Eh? So if somebody give information on the whereabouts of Miss Chin then, and Miss Chin get captured and get found back and thing like that, I was forced to return somewhat by the authorities then. You know what I say? You know, keep that there significant development there secret, knowing say it could deter further disappearance like this, because I saw to make it sound. You know, see it? Like she just disappear and then she just reappear. That's not normal. We don't accept that. We want to know how Miss Chin did there. Oh, you don't see it. This, I want to you. Better understand Miss Chin go on her private business and nobody never knows which part she did there. And she just walk back in the picture when she ready, Rasta. Then nobody no feel like to discuss the return of Miss Chin. That turned suspicious. Like she did lock up in one of them police stations that we ain't know somebody tell me about. Yeah. I saw it sound to me, so if I was one of we do it, if I was a local man do it, where's the Chinese government the other day I jump up and say them like oh so much people, so much of them 100 of them people drop out since in a 6 years time. You know that glad for use this as the recovery of Miss China or whatever I want to do as a talking point. You know what I say? The promote say, you know, do something regarding our dep on the ground regarding them sort of instances, yeah. You know, see it? This does sound right to we, Rasta. Look at Miss Chin picture in the thumbnail. You know, see it? Every man going to the shop, they want for your number privately. Every black man, every Jamaican, they going to the shop, they want for your number privately. You know, see it? That are the case, you can easily say, well, then Miss Chin go about her business, go do her business, and she come back to her business. Rather than a talk about, no, a serious thing that a foreign national go missing, Rasta. We supposed to, we got our right. You see it? It's accountable by the security forces and whoever it is in charge for give some more details, Rasta, with what go on here. So, it's customary not to. But young lady are going missing in a Jamaica and them way and we can't find them back. We not hear them back. Yet still, you know, what if they find them back or something like that, or same thing that I come tell you about, it's customary not to say where these young ladies were. I kind of custom that. They accept, hey, change that, man. Fix up that and wheel and come again, Rasta. Kind of idiot. Fake business. Some things are going on in a Jamaica, you know, Rasta. Like the little boy we missing the other day, you know, where mama claim say them kidnap him in a fair RD, one of the most secure car in Europe. From Europe, them kidnap her, them drag her, open her door, drag her out. Now most of them carry from you go in it and lock the door. You hear it lock. From you go in it and slam the door, you hear all of the locking mechanism them switch on, vroom, car lock. But they can't open it from outside. You know, see? Hardy. Yet still, somebody come and fear her car door, open it, take her out. She slow down a patrol in a hardy. Now, if you slow down in a patrol, yeah, the patrol it's not a road block, you know, it's a patrol. See? Why you not, when you see a threat come or not, why you not speed off and go about your business, bump through the two patrol them and galang about your business? You sit down and make people come take where you pick me out, take where your car and gone with your pick me in your car and all them sort of something there, eh? Normally a 9-year-old pick can fly out the car door and jump out to himself, you know, Rasta. You know, see it? He don't really need money to open for him car door. Furthermore, mommy have to do so open your door and jump out and pick the jump out too. 9-year-old picnic. You know, see it? Like him locking a car seat like a baby. A Jamaica that them things that go on. We know that. You know, see it? Them and she get away with it all, take out injunction to stop police from looking at her phone and all them fuck with it. Nowhere else in the world, them rascal, you know, Rasta. A man in the comment section said them never need no farmer injunction for go looking at Vybz Kartel phone. You know, see, yet still, them access Vybz Kartel data and could have claimed so them see, what go on? You know, see, Rasta, what go on with Miss Chin, sir? What go on with Miss Chin, sir? What kind of cover-up business? You know, see, as much as she's safe and we give thanks as a return home to our family, safe and secure, Rasta, this story no sounds alright. You know, see, something alright, sir. Allow me to tell Ninja, man.
Something alright. Something alright, yeah.